What's popping, y'all? So as you can see, my face is clear as hell. Okay, so we're starting off with the NYX eyeshadow base. I'm using that with a Morphe brush. I don't know the name right now, but I'll put it on the screen. And I'm using that to underline my eyebrows, define my eyebrows, whatever you want to call it. This is just going to be like a base for me. I'm going to also bring that down to my lid for eyeshadow. This is my base, okay? I don't know how many times I just said that, but you know what I mean. But I put it under my brows because I'm going to do my brows last today, but I did want to go ahead and conceal underneath them so that I have a guideline as to how I want to fill them in. So I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just blending out that base, and then I'm also going to set it with the eyeshadow. You can use like a translucent powder, but I use like a beige type of eyeshadow. So for eyeshadows, we're going in with the Beige Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This palette is lit. It's only like $18 and it's hella pigmented. So I'm taking this shade right here and I'm using the same fluffy brush I was using before, and I'm just putting that shade into my crease and upper crease, and I'm blowing it out really big. I'm just like blowing it out super blended. And now I'm taking this shade right here on another Morphe brush that I don't remember the name of, but I'll put it on the screen. And this is just going to concentrate more color where I want it. And I'm just putting that shade like in my crease to add some definition, but it's not like blown out as much as the transition. So yeah. And then I'm taking this blue shade right here, which is, oh my god, the glitters or the shimmer in this palette are fucking bomb. But I'm taking a flat shader brush, also by Morphe. I'll put the number or name or whatever on the screen. But I'm just putting this on my mobile lid. And I wet the brush later on, and the pigment was even more crazy, like super crazy. You'll see that in just a second. So once I've got that blue shade all over, I'm taking that brown shade again, and I'm going to take that into the outer corner of my eyelid and then blend it towards, or blend it into my crease. So this is kind of like a really soft, smoky eye. It looks kind of like a cut crease, but it's not really a cut crease. It's just like a smoky eye. So yeah, I'm just blending that. Next, I'm going to take these two shades out of this palette and I'm putting them on the inner corner of my eyes, which you don't see because I did that off camera. Now for eyeliner, I'm taking this NYX Matte Liquid Liner and I'm just creating a simple little wing. I've been getting my wings on point, okay? Y'all, I've been practicing. So once you've got both wings done, we can move on to the face. I'm taking the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer and I'm just putting that all over my skin. I'm over here doing the most. But the stuff is really good. For foundation, I'm taking the Beige Cosmetics foundation. This is in the shade Deep Beige. And this foundation was only $7, girl, at Ulta. It's a really nice formula. I like it a lot. And the shade range on this foundation is pretty nice as well. And I'm just blending that in with my Real Techniques body sponge. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is from their extended shade ranges that they just came out with recently. This is the darkest shade. I don't know the name. I feel like it's 60. I don't know the name exactly, but I know it's the number 60. And I'm just putting that in all of my typical highlighting areas. It's not a super bright concealer. I just wanted something that was going to conceal rather than highlight. And then I'm just blending that out with the same body sponge that I was using before. Now, just for a brightening effect, I'm going to take this Estee Lauder Correcting Concealer. I'll put the shade down below in the description. But this is just going to kind of give me more of an awake look and kind of push up the deepness that I have in my eyes. I have deep set eyes, so I like to use a brighter concealer like right under there just to pop that out more so I don't look like I have sunken in eyes. And to set that, I'm using my Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Powder. Y'all sleep on this powder. It's bomb as fuck. And I'm just pressing that in. So I'm not really baking with it right underneath the eye. I'm just kind of pressing it in because it's a really finely milled powder and it sets amazingly, like no joke. But later on you'll see I am going to bake. I'm just going to bake like my nose, right next to my nose, and my smile lines, because those are the areas that I get the most oily, and where like my makeup starts to crease. So while that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm using the NYX eyebrow gel. I did that off camera, okay? Now I'm just dusting off the baking and setting my entire face with this Maybelline Fit Me Powder Sleuth Powder. Y'all, if you haven't heard about this powder, it's bomb as the hell. Like, super finely milled, sets amazing. It's like, makes your skin look so soft. Does my skin look fucking popping? You can't tell me nothing, okay? Taking this shadow out of the Morphe 3502 palette on a blush brush and just kind of bronzing my face, kind of. I love using Morphe shadows for bronzing and contouring. If you guys have been following me for a while, you already know what the dealio is, okay? And I'm also contouring the nose. Now I'm taking this contour shade. This is Brownie Bite out of the Beige Cosmetics X It's My Ray Ray collaboration. And I'm just using that to create more of a shadow effect in my cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade under my eyes, just because I had no eyeshadow down there. I wanted to just kind of smoke it out, just softly smoke it out. So I'm using that shade and also the shade I used in my transition area. Just blending those out, just so there's something down there, you know what I'm saying? I'm just spraying my face, setting it with this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Spray, which is alright. So for highlight, I'm taking the Dose of Colors highlight. This one is in Royal Hotness, y'all. I surprised my damn self. Do you see that highlight? Yes. I'm putting this shit everywhere, okay? It's like a perfect gold. Like, this is perfect for dark skin. It is right now my absolute favorite highlight. I cannot put it down. It's like $20-something, I think. I got it at Ulta, and you can find it at Ulta. You might be able to find it at Sephora. I don't know. I don't go to Sephora. Anyways, so once that's all over my face, I'm going to start my lips, I think. And I'm taking the Ruby Kisses matte lipstick. This is in the shade Choco Craze, and I use this a lot to just line my lips if I don't have a brown lip liner. It's pretty versatile. Like, I can use this to do any type of lip. So once I've got my lips lined, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors matte lip lipstick. This one is in the shade Bear With Me, and I'm just putting it in the center of my lips and then just kind of blending it out with my lips. You notice that pat. And after that, I'm moving on to lashes. These are Ardell lashes. I just don't know which style. Like, I'm sorry, guys. I always buy Ardell lashes. I don't know which ones they are, but I did the other one on camera. Look at me trying to be cute. And then I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just putting it all over my lashes, and we are done, girls. Okay. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried to make it pretty quick. You know, a lot of my tutorials be long as hell, so I'll try to make it quick. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next video. Love you, savages. Mwah.